Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually find winning products on eBay. Now, one of the major things that you have to keep in mind is the fact that eBay is one of the biggest platforms where you can sell and buy and trade different products. And obviously with the marketing and promotion right now in today's time and period, it's very difficult to find the top-notch product that you could sell on eBay. And that is the reason why we're making these videos, to give you a competitive advantage, a chance to look beyond the facade, to give you a chance to understand what is happening behind the scenes, where we can give you the right tips and tricks, where you can find the right product that will literally change your fortunes and give you a chance to break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And that is the reason why we make these videos. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making, because we are giving you a chance of a lifetime to understand how this system works and how you can make this system work in your favor. So when you head over to eBay, you'll see all these different products that are available in so many popular categories. It could be sneakers and Korean beauties and wristwatches, fishing, collectibles, smartphones, and anything and everything that you can sell. But what is a product that you can truly make profit on? And what is a product that people are actually trying to buy? And what is that product that really can be a selling hot product on eBay? And to do that, you need to understand something which is called the keywords. The keywords are literally the phrases that differentiate and give you a competitive advantage. And this is where the marketing comes, guys, that you gotta understand what is being sold, what is being promoted, and that is where the research that you need to do, it needs to happen. And the more research that you do, either it be primary research or secondary research, the more research that you do, the better you're gonna find products. And the better products you're gonna find, the better chance of making more money is gonna happen. And obviously, you'll be able to convert your customers and make your customers a loyal customer and a lifelong customer. So the first thing we need to do is search for particular keywords. We're gonna search for a keyword that's quite unique, which is lights. Now, obviously, once we search for lights, you'll see that we have 20 million hits that comes on light. Now, literally, that means there are 20 million different products that are available. So what and how are you going to make a difference in that 20 million? What competitive advantage that you're going to get in that 20 million? This is the video for you, because I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to ensure that you differentiate amongst that 20 million. Now, obviously, the first thing that I'm going to tell you to keep an eye out for is this particular word over here, which is sponsored. Never ever focus on the sponsor, because the sponsor are paid advertisements and there are false advertisements, and they're not the proper research that you need to do, and this is not the proper information that you will get from the sponsored, and obviously this is gonna mislead you. So we're gonna completely ignore the sponsored, and as I scroll down, you'll see that you'll find different products, such as this product, which is being sold 6,594 times. So clearly there is definitely a market here, and there's definitely a chance for you to make a profit by getting this product and selling it on eBay. Now, how you got to do this and how you need to do this is very simple and straightforward. And what you got to do is look at where this particular product is coming from. This product is coming from China, and this is a top seller that's available that is selling this product. If I scroll down, you'll see all the different products that are available, and you got to make sure that you understand the dynamics of this particular market. You got to understand what it means to have these particular products. And once you do your research and you get into this market, you'll see all the different elements that are available. And one of the things that you're going to keep an eye out for is the price, because once you determine that you want to get this particular product, you got to understand how are you going to make a profit margin. Now, obviously, this product is being sold on eBay for this particular price, but where is the profit margin? The profit margin comes when you can get hold of this product at a relatively lower cost. And once you get it at a lower cost, you can always sell it at a higher price. The lower the price, the higher you sell it, the more profit margin you're gonna get, and the more money you're gonna make. Just imagine for 1 second that you get hold of this particular product for at least 50 cents and you sell it for $7, and you sell 10,000 of these. You're gonna make a massive profit of at least $10 to $20 or $70,000 off the bat. That, my friend, is the beauty of the internet age, and that is the reason why eBay has become such a massive massive name in the industry. So once we have selected the particular light, we're going to head over to this particular page and check out this particular light. Now, obviously, the neon light is something that a lot of people want to get, and this adds a lot of facade into your room. And obviously, with Christmas just around the corner, this is going to be a hot product that people want to buy, and that is the reason why you got 1,134 individuals that are watching this product right now. 2,926 have already bought the product, and at least 6 have watched in the last 24 hours. And if I scroll down, you'll be able to see the different elements of this particular product, such as the descriptions, the condition, and obviously the features and the brands and the output voltage and the wire diameters, and all the information is available. But the interesting thing, guys, that I'm going to mention right now that you're going to keep an eye out for is, where is this product coming from? This product is coming from China. So if this individual is getting this product from China, why can't you? And obviously, if you can find a manufacturer, an individual, a company, an organization that is selling this product at a relatively lower cost, you can massively increase your profit margin. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to AliExpress and look for the neon light glow. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all these different products that are available at $2, $4, $7, $1.99, $4. And obviously, the lower the price, the better it's going to get. But this is where the research element comes in. This is where you can find out what the product is being sold on different platforms for different prices and the product that you need to get. The next place that I'm going to mention right now beside AliExpress is one of the major places that you can find a lot of manufacturers, and this is Alibaba.com. On Alibaba.com, you will cut the middleman. You will get rid of the middleman, and you'll go directly to the source where the product is being made. And that is where the main money comes in. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see different prices that are available, and the higher you actually buy the product, the more money you can actually make. The higher quantity that you get from Alibaba, the lower the price is going to be, and the more profit margin that you're going to get. And my friends, that is the competitive advantage that you'll be looking for. For example, this is just for $1 and you get 5 meters of it. And if you increase the meters, you can decrease the price and increase your profit margin. And that is where the pure beauty comes in. So if you like this product, all you need to do is click on it, which is going to open up in the next page. And all the details are available over here. All you need to do is order this particular product, and you can easily contact the supplier, cut the middleman, and get it from the source. If you get it from the source, you'll be able to increase the profit margin and then sell it back on eBay. That is how the system works, guys. And that is how you need to do it to ensure that you can make a profit from eBay. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. And that is the reason we're making these videos, to help you understand the dynamics of eBay and how you can find winning products and sell those products on eBay, and obviously make a profit in the process. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and on your Twitter, so more people can find out how they can find winning products to sell on eBay. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.